Google told the Delhi High Court on August 11th that YouTube has withheld a video by social media influencer Dhruv Rathee in India following an order by the centre's Grievance Appellate Committee. The case was heard by Justice Vanna Kanta Sharma on a petition by lawyer Amita Sachdev. She alleged that Rathee's video, uploaded on March 21st, contained false and misleading claims about Bhagwan Sri Ram, Bhagwan Sri Krishna and Sita Devi and could hurt Hindu sentiments. Google's counsel said the action was taken after the GAC directed the platform to remove the video. Sachdev said the committee had ordered the video to be taken down within 24 hours on July 15th, but Google had only withheld it in India, which she termed partial compliance. The company said the video had not been blocked globally because that issue was already pending before a High Court division bench. Justice Sharma observed that Google had taken whatever action was possible at this stage. The court has now adjourned the matter to September 3rd.